Hi, my name is Ebi Motahede, and I'm talking for a few minutes on behalf of Alex, which I believe is one of the best brokers in LA County. I saw a sign on a house about a month ago. I called him. Alex immediately contacted me. He met with me. He asked me a few questions. He saw that I'm serious. And then from there on, everything was wonderful. He hooked me up with a loan officer, which is great too, Jeff. And he represented me very professionally. In every aspect and manner of the sale, it was everything great. He saved me a lot of money by bargaining and negotiating with the seller. And within this market, which is a very hot market, I was able to save over $25,000 from the asking price. So I recommend him highly. Alex is the best. He's good. He's always there for us. We are very pleased. In fact, I'm planning to fix my house and sell it, and I will call him when the house is done, because he's very professional, very precise, and all I can say that I wish for everybody to have the smooth transaction like we had.
We are
Thank you,
so
Alex.
happy. We are so
You're good,
happy.
Alex.
You are the best.